Hey guys, welcome to Doggy Programmer. This is the first part of our series of WordPress tutorials. In this tutorial, we will see how we can download WordPress and install it. So let's go to any web browser. So first search for WordPress, or you can directly go to wordpress.org and you need to download it from this page over here, download and extend. This is the download link. You can get the latest version or other versions. So you click on download. My download has started. After this download is finished, you will open it. But anyways, I have already downloaded it here in the desktop. So this is the file. First thing is I need a server called XAMPP. So I need to download XAMPP, and I have a tutorial on this in the playlist of PHP, so go check it. So let's just go to XAMPP. I need to start my Apache server and MySQL. Let's go to the directory, XAMPP directory, then the htdocs. Now I'll be putting my WordPress inside this directory, so like this. Okay, now I have WordPress as a the folder, the WordPress folder in my htdocs folder. So as I've told you how we can download and install XAMPP, I've another series. I have another tutorial in the PHP series, so check it. Let's go to localhost / then WordPress. Now we have downloaded WordPress. This is how we will install it. Let's just choose your language. Let's go. Now create a WordPress name, username. Okay, let's use Dagi, and password something like this. Okay, this is just for demonstration purpose, so it really doesn't matter for now. But if you are if you want to use WordPress as your working environment, like for real purposes, and this this information might be relevant, so let's go to localhost / php myadmin. I always forget. So let's create a database. In my case, the database name is WordPress. So this is the name of the database, and your username is your database username. So this is not your WordPress admin username, so we will get that in the next page. Let's go to privilege, then add a user account. Again, then your username is Dagi, then host name, localhost, your password. Okay, let's use ABC123. Let's copy and paste. It's very weak, so we can generate over here. Let's copy and paste. This is the generated password, I guess. I might forget the generated password. Anyways, if you want to use generated passwords, you could. In my case, I didn't want to use it, so I'll just be using some country name, maybe United Africa, So I guess it is strong. United Africa. Then go to your WordPress setup page, then United Africa. Okay, so you just check all so that this user gets privilege, and just go. Finished. And submit this. Alright, sunshine. Run the installation. Now in the installation, this is the admin username and the admin information, so it's different from the database. You come here, we can use United Africa again. Africa, United Africa. Oh, how is this? Okay, with the space it is strong, so let's use it with the space. Our site title might be YouTube, because this website is for YouTube, and Dagi, my username, and email might be dagiprogrammer at gmail.com. Oh, okay. Now we just need to install WordPress. Okay, WordPress has been installed. Thank you and enjoy. Login. And my login, I'll be putting my information. My password is United space Africa. Then login. Voila. This is our WordPress admin page now. In the next series of tutorials, we will see more about WordPress. Feel free to like this video if you are interested, and don't forget to subscribe, of course. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.